Mahnoor Salt is a prestigious and renowned manufacturer and exporter of Himalayan salt products, situated in Khewra, near the world's second-largest salt mine. With a strong commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Mahnoor Salt has established itself as a leading provider of a diverse range of Himalayan salt products. One of the flagship products offered by Mahnoor Salt is the Himalayan salt lamp. These lamps are expertly crafted from large salt crystals and emit a warm, soothing pink glow when lit. Not only do they create a serene ambience in any space, but they are also believed to have numerous health benefits, such as purifying the air by releasing negative ions. Another specialty of Mahnoor Salt is their wide variety of Himalayan salt slabs. These slabs are available in different shapes, sizes, and thicknesses, making them suitable for various purposes. Whether you're grilling, cooking, or presenting dishes, Himalayan salt slabs offer a unique and delightful culinary experience. The natural saltiness of the slabs imparts a subtle yet distinct flavor to your food. Mahnoor Salt also takes pride in producing high-quality cooking salt. Extracted from the pristine Khewra salt mine, their cooking salt is known for its exceptional purity and rich mineral content. This Himalayan salt is a healthier alternative to regular table salt, as it contains trace minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. With an unwavering focus on quality control, Mahnoor Salt ensures that their products meet stringent standards. They employ rigorous processes, from the selection of the finest salt crystals to the packaging and distribution of their products. This attention to detail ensures that customers receive Himalayan salt products of exceptional quality and purity. Mahnoor Salt's dedication to excellence extends to their manufacturing facilities, which are equipped with modern machinery and technology. Their team of skilled craftsmen and artisans combines traditional techniques with contemporary designs to create exquisite Himalayan salt products that are both visually appealing and functional. As a leading exporter, Mahnoor Salt has successfully catered to a global clientele. Their commitment to customer satisfaction, competitive pricing, and timely delivery has earned them a reputable position in the international market. In summary, Mahnoor Salt is a leading manufacturer and exporter of Himalayan salt products, located near the world's second-largest salt mine in Khewra. Their extensive product range includes Himalayan salt lamps, salt slabs for cooking, and high-quality cooking salt. With a focus on quality, craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction, Mahnoor Salt has gained recognition for delivering exceptional Himalayan salt products to customers around the world.